Meet my wife.
Hello.
Today she wants to go and see my lecture hall.
It's needed.
She was like, "Old school team on some phone. Let me go and see where you are receiving the lectures for the whole school."
It's important. Very important.
So today she wants to go and see my lecture hall.
Okay.
Come with me.
Let's go. Actually, fun. Fun in the lecture hall.
This is a lecture theater. It is called Lucky 3. This is Lucky 3 lecture theater. Open the door. She has opened one of my lecture theaters. Go inside. So this is where we used to sit and receive lectures, and that is where the lecturer stands to instruct us. And this is the projector that projects to the whiteboard. This is the first lecture theater I have. You can see we always filled to the brim here. Let's go.
Nigeria, which way are we going?
This is lecture theater 1, Lucky 3. She's coming out. I have another lecture theater here, which is lecture theater A4, which is this. Yes, this is one of my lecture theaters. Yes, you pull it out.
Wow.
And you go inside. This is another lecture theater. Normally the way it's dark, the lights are off, and we are being monitored as we are here. The cameras are always running. That's the lecture theater, and that is where the instructor stands. And that is the projector up there. Let's go. This is my lecture theater.
Sorry, don't mind my earbuds. I'm just
Now we're going to my practical laboratory. At times I've been myself, I used to be confused about these classes. So I think my practical lab is like this. Let's go. Move ahead of me. She's going to my practical lab. Yes. This is lecture theater 3, the other side. This one, once we are late, we can come in through here. This is another lecture theater 3. Once we are late, also can come in through the back door. This is an alarmed, electronically controlled door. Move. It's meant to open, but because it is alarmed, I have to press it here for it to open from that side. So she'll go in from here. Then she keeps going. She keeps going. You have to press the alarm door again by your right, and it will open again. Then she keeps going. You keep going. Then you start checking your right. This should be one of my. This is print suit. Here I can print. For the information, there is nobody here. I can print, and I'm being monitored as I'm here. Let's go. You are being monitored, my dear. You keep going. You keep going. These are print. These things. This is one of my practical labs. Yes. Point out. This is one of my practical labs.
Oh my God.
As you can see, there is nobody here. The funniest thing is nothing will be stolen, nothing will get missing. Because whatever you do, you are being monitored. Just come in, you sit down, then you log in your username and your password. Once you log in your username and your password, it brings your details back to that system, and you are free to work. For instance, that is it. Don't log in my username. Let's go. We visit here twice every week. And we are in batches. So my lecture, my practical classes.
We are looking to the
Now there are other classes down there, but they are not for me. So we are going back to the library.
from there.
And from there we have to get out of the school. She says she's hungry, so she needs to go and eat. So for her to get out of that place, she has to press the alarm power assisted door. The door will open, and she goes out. She keeps going. There is actually a lift here that can take us to the other side. But before the lift will carry me go where I don't know.
Yes, there are really a quite number of people that have really supported me, but the first person on my list aside my mom, Big Daddy, and every other daddies have helped me up. This young, beautiful, talented, skillful, and intelligent woman of mine is and will always be my number one fan. She has always been there. When I told her I wanted studying artificial intelligence, she was, you can do it. She's this person of, you can do it. She's my best motivational person, and I've not been able to give her flowers, but I will. This footage was as way back as 2023, first week of February, yes, to be precise. She was like, I want to go and see where you are receiving your lectures. Let's know where we are paying our money to. It was eventful. We keep moving, we keep going. We've had a couple of memories, a lot of them stored. And we can't wait to share them. Please like, follow, subscribe to our channel and our pages. We love you. I'm Ayo, and she's Ayo. Thank you.